Dear students, how are you? I think you are safe and sound and staying at home because all the institutions are closed due to COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe and be connected with us. Dear students, welcome to my online class. Before starting my class, I would like to thank all of my viewers, all of the honorable teachers and all of the respected guardians who are with me and watching my video or watching my class. At first, I would like to introduce myself on behalf of Port Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. This is Himanshu Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, Port Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. Today, I am here to have a class with you, especially for the students of class 8. Dear students, today I will take a class from your EFT book. So please open your textbook, take your textbook, open your textbook, take your pen, open your notebook and be connected with me. Dear students, I earnestly request you to follow my lecture carefully and attentively. Now let's start our today's lesson. Our today's topic is pulse, pearl. Unit 7, lesson 1. Especially for the students of class 8. This class is only for class 8 students. Dear students, you have to open your textbook or EFT book at page number 79, Unit 7, lesson 1. Dear students, at first I would like to read the text from your EFT book at page number 79. Are you ready? I think you are ready. Dear students, at first I will show you a picture. Let's have a look on it. Do you see it clearly? I think you can see it clearly. Dear students, you can see two pictures here. The first picture is of a necklace, and sure it is a pearl necklace. And the second picture, you can see that this picture is, you can see the picture, a young man wear a necklace, especially pearl necklace. So our today's topic is pearl. At first I will read the text with Bengali meaning. After finishing my text or reading, I will do some exercise. So dear viewers, listen me carefully and follow me carefully. Read the text and answer the question that follow. At first I will read the text or go through the text with Bengali meaning. Let's enjoy the class. Thousands of years ago, the first part was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the sea shore. হাজার হাজার বছর আগে সম্ভবত প্রথম মুক্তা আবিষ্কৃত হয়েছিল যখন লোকেরা সাগর পাড়ে বা লোকজন সাগর পাড়ে তাদের খাদ্যের সন্ধানে গিয়েছিল। Throughout history, the pearl with its shine has been one of the most highly valued gems. সমগ্র ইতিহাস জুড়ে মুক্তা তার দীপ্তি নিয়ে এক অন্যতম প্রধান মূল্যবান রত্নে পরিণত হয়েছে। Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. অতীতকাল থেকেই ধর্মীয় পাঠ ও পৌরাণিক কাহিনীতে মুক্তার কথা উল্লেখ আছে, অনেকবার বলা হয়েছে, অনেকবার উল্লেখ করা হয়েছে। The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. প্রাচীন মিশরীয়রা মুক্তাকে এত মূল্য দিতেন যে তারা মারা গেলে অর্থাৎ তাদের মৃত্যুর পর তাদেরকে মুক্তার সহিত সমাহিত করা হতো। It is said that the famous Queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. এটা বলা হয় যে মিশরের বিখ্যাত রানী ক্লিওপেট্রা জনগণের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা এবং ভালোবাসা প্রদর্শনের জন্য প্রত্যেক দিন এক গ্লাস পানির ভিতর মুক্তা ভিজিয়ে খেতেন। The Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. গ্রিকরা সামাজিক এবং অর্থপ্রতিপত্তির চিহ্ন হিসাবে মুক্তাকে ভাবতেন। The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. মুক্তার সৌন্দর্য তখনকার দিনে ভালোবাসা এবং বিয়ের সাথে সম্পর্কিত ছিল, সম্বন্ধযুক্ত ছিল। In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. প্রাচীন রোমে মুক্তাকে সম্পদ এবং সামাজিক মর্যাদার চিহ্ন হিসেবে বিবেচনা করা হতো বা ভাবা হতো। At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklace. তখনকার দিনে অল্পবয়স্ক বা যুবতী মেয়েরা বা নারীরা, বিশেষ করে ধনী ফ্যামিলির বা মহৎ ফ্যামিলির যারা ছিলেন, তারা সুন্দর মুক্তা পরিধান করতে পছন্দ করতেন, বিশেষ করে মুক্তার হার পরতে পছন্দ করতেন। The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. সাহসী যোদ্ধারা সৌভাগ্যের জন্য সেগুলোকে যুদ্ধক্ষেত্রে পরিধান করতেন। Dear students, I have already completed the lesson or text. Now I will discuss on vocabulary. Dear students, you know that vocabulary plays a vital role in any language, especially a foreign language. If you want to learn a foreign language, you have to learn some vocabs or vocabulary. So vocabulary is very important for communication, especially listening, speaking, writing, etc. So dear students, you have to learn more and more vocabs for enhancing your fluency in English language or any other foreign language. So dear learners, now I will discuss some vocabs or vocabulary. I have already written some vocabs or vocabulary on the board. Now let's have a look on the board. Dear students, for saving time, I have already written it on the board. So dear learners, you have to follow it carefully. Words, parts of speech, Bengali or Bangla meaning, synonym, antonym. First one is mythology, and this word is a noun, and the Bengali meaning of this word is Pauranik Kahini. Synonym is legend or conviction, and antonym is reality or truth. Next one is ancient, and this word denotes adjective, and this word for Bengali meaning is prachin, and the synonym is primitive or outdated, and antonym is modern. Next one is result. Obviously it is a verb, especially past participle of verb, and Bengali meaning is দ্রবীভূত অথবা ভেজানো. Synonym is melted or fuse, and antonym is appear or continue. Next one is status, and this word is obviously a noun, and the Bengali meaning of this word is morjada. Synonym is prestige or rank, and the antonym is unemployment or worthless. Another one is unparalleled, and this word is an adjective, and Bengali meaning of this word is অতুলনীয়. Synonym is unmatched, antonym is paralleled. Next one is association, and this word is a noun. Bangla or Bengali meaning is shongho. Synonym is connection, antonym is disconnection. Next one is delicate, and this word is also an adjective, and Bengali meaning of this word is bhongur, অর্থাৎ যা সহজে ভেঙে যায়. Synonym is breakable or fine, antonym is tough or strong or ugly or hard. Next one, brave. This word is also an adjective, and Bengali meaning is সাহসী. Synonym of this word is heroic or fearless or daring. Antonym is afraid or shy or weak. Next one is marriage, and this word is also a noun, and the Bengali meaning of this word is bibaho. Synonym is wedding or matrimony. Antonym is divorce or separation. Dear students, now read the text again, and you have to do exercise. Read the text again and answer the following questions. I have already written the questions on the board, and let's have a look on the board. Dear students, you have to take down it on your notebook or on your exercise book. Dear students, first one is, how did people discover pearls? লোকজন বা লোকেরা কিভাবে মুক্তা আবিষ্কার করেছিল। নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ, why is pearl one of the most valuable gems? কেন মুক্তা সবচেয়ে মূল্যবান রত্ন? Why did Cleopatra dissolve a pearl in a glass of water? কেন রানী ক্লিওপেট্রা এক গ্লাস পানির ভিতর একটা মুক্তাকে ভেজাতেন বা দ্রবীভূত করতেন? Next one and last one is, what did the Greeks think about pearls? মুক্তা সম্পর্কে গ্রিকদের মতামত কি ছিল, অর্থাৎ গ্রিকবাসীরা মুক্তা সম্পর্কে কি ভাবতেন? Dear students, I think you are able to answer these questions, but now look at the answer. I have already written it, and the answer for A is, people discovered pearls thousands of years ago while they were searching for food at the seashore. And the next answer for next one is, number B is, pearl is one of the most valuable gems because of its shine. And the next one is, and the number is C, and the answer will be here, and the answer is, Cleopatra dissolved a pearl in a glass of water to show love and respect for the entire nation. And last one is, the Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. They also thought that the beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. Dear learners, now it's time to take a homework. You have to read the text in B again from your EFT book at page number 80. B again and write the information in the table, and this is your homework. Dear learners, you know that we are having a critical time because of COVID-19, so be careful, stay home, stay safe, and be connected with us. Don't roam here and there, don't go outside. If you go outside, try to wear your mask. So, dear students, I have already taken a lot of time. Dear learners, I have to stop my class here. Dear learners, you should follow the common rules of health for your betterment. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.